Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. If x1 and x2 are the solutions of the equation, then they are asking relationship between x1 and x2. So guys, whenever we have log in the power of x, we would have to take log on both the sides. So what is the equation given to you? X to the power 3 log x base 10 power 3 minus 2 by 3 log of x base 10 minus 2 by 3 log of x base 10 is equal to 100 multiplied by cube root of 10 is given to you. Taking log x base 10 on both these sides, so it will be written by me 3 log x base 10 whole cube minus 2 by 3 log x base 10 multiplied by log x base 10 is equal to log of 10 power 2 multiplied by 10 power 1 by 3 base 10. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, log x base 10 I'll be writing y over here. Log x base 10 is equal to y has been assumed by me. So 3y cube minus 2 by 3 y multiplied by y is equal to log of 10 to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 base 10 it will be becoming. Now proceeding further, let's see what can be done by us. 3y cube minus 2 by 3 y multiplied by y is equal to 7 by 3. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, y will be taken common by me, so we'll be writing 3y square minus 2 by 3 and y square is equal to 7 by 3. Now guys, y square, what can we see over here? 9y square minus 2 by 3 multiplied by y square is equal to 7 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. So this 3 will be getting cancelled with this 3 over here. Now we have y square. I can assume again a variable. Let us suppose k I am assuming. So 9k minus 2 multiplied by k is equal to 7. It will be written by us. That means 9k square minus 2k minus 7 is equal to 0. And 9 can be written by me as 3 multiplied by 3. And 7 is 7 we are knowing. Guys, I have to bring minus 2 over here, making use of all these things written. So minus 9 plus 7 I can use. So 9k square minus 9k plus 7k minus 7 is equal to 0. 9k taken common by me, k minus 1 plus 7 taken common by me, k minus 1 is equal to 0. K minus 1 taken common by me, 9k plus 7 is equal to 0. So guys, k is either equal to 1 or it is equal to minus 7 by 9. But k is equal to y square, you are knowing. So y square can never be equal to minus 7 by 9. That means y square is equal to 1. Can you see? I have written y square as k. So y square is equal to 1. But guys, in turn y is what we are knowing. Y is equal to log x base 10 we are knowing. That means log x base, okay, y if it is equal to 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. Y square if it is 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So we may write log x base 10 is equal to plus or minus 1. So one value of x I'll be getting 10 to the power 1. Other value of x I'll be getting, this is x1 let us assume. So the x2 value I'll be getting 1 upon 10. Hope you guys would have got my point. So what all values are given? x1 into x2 will be becoming 1 definitely. x1 into x2 will be becoming 1 over here. Now let's see the next option. x1 into x2 is equal to x1 plus x2. My dear students, it would not be holding right. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's see the next option. Log of x1 base x2 is equal to minus 1. Yeah, that is going right. Log of 1 upon 10 base 10 or log of 10 base 1 upon 10 will be becoming minus 1. This is right. Log of x1 into x2 is equal to 0. Since x1 into x2 is equal to 1, so log 1 base 10 is equal to what? 0 it will be. So option D will be also going right. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my